Hey, I'm Lizzy McAvoy. When I'm not writing songs, performing live, or producing in the studio, I'm the girl in the apron. Some of my favorite memories have been made in the kitchen, whether it's rolling out homemade pasta with my grandpa, holiday get-togethers with family and friends, and even those band rehearsal meals. Food and music has always been at the heart of it all. So grab your apron, crank up the tunes, and join me in the kitchen. There is a breakfast that is quite legendary in our house. It has spanned 3 generations. My grandpa came up with the recipe back at the firehouse, and my mom made it for basically every single sleepover my sister and I had as kids. Now please, let me introduce you to the magical world of corn pancakes. Yep, you heard me right, corn pancakes. Now maybe it's the Midwest girl in me that loves them so much, but I have a feeling that you're gonna love them too. And as always with the girl in the apron, it's quick, it's easy, and here's how you do it.
The subtle sweet, the burning heat is what I need. Oh, call it love, call it buzzed, it's mine the key. And just one dose will never be enough. Love, 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 you're like that first sip of coffee on Monday morning. Oh, 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 you're like that first sip of coffee on Monday morning. Oh,
Be sure to find more Girl in the Apron recipes at www.lizzymcavoy.com. And let's get social.